Rando is here, and it's time for another safe and sane demo for you. But before we get to the firework, say hello to the one, the only, Sergeant Pyro!
Oh.
Sergeant Pyro, what are you holding tonight for the demo?
We got Space Agent from Iron Man Fireworks.
Iron Man Fireworks. I'm gonna Ziggy. Oh, thank you. Say hello to Ziggy, everybody.
Oh, Ziggy.
Ziggy's here. Ziggy's moving the cam so we could see a little bit of a glare because it's late night here on the BBQ Rando Ranch with Sergeant Pyro from security. You know that. And we got looks like an alien there that's kind of peeking at us.
Sure does.
Yeah. Let's give it a little spin.
Whoa, there he is.
Yeah, Mr. Big Head. All right, big head. There we go. Now, what's really cool here, you can see, right, they're kind of spying. They got a little bit, oh my goodness. You know what? We found a performance.
Oh.
Let me see if I can zoom it in. Okay, here we go. Silver chrysanthemum with red gold. Oh my goodness, that is so hard to see. Let me try it again. Chrysanthemum with more chrysanthemum, red whistle, titanium whistle, red spring. Okay, listen, there's a lot of stuff there. We're just gonna go back here for a moment. All right, now Sergeant Pyro, big head. Now, Sergeant Pyro, if you take the top, see this? You can see. Look here. It's almost like a flying V. So if you were in Phoenix in March of 1997, we had the Phoenix Lights. Actually, that's what it looks like, doesn't it?
It sure does.
Sure does, Mr. Big Head. All right, so we're going to flip it around one more time. All right, Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to get out to the street pad and light Space Agent?
Yeah!
Let's go! We made it to the street pad. We're gonna light Space Agent here. Whoa, here we go.
Security sucks.
Whoa! Look at this. Whoa! What is it me, Sergeant Pyro? Did the wind just kick in here on the ranch? Yeah. Whoa! That was the titanium whistle. Whoa! Okay. It's red on the left and bright green on the right, like that big head guy. Whoa! Sergeant Pyro, lights, please. I don't know about you all, I did not expect the size of this double fountain to perform that way. You know what we say, barbecue!